In today's video, we're swapping out the lower door trim from this to this. Let's go. To complete this installation, all you'll need are some plastic pry tools, a ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, tack cloth, and either isopropyl alcohol or glass cleaner to clean the panel before installing the trim. Alright, so as you see, the install is complete, and I gotta say the dark chrome looks way better than the factory chrome that was on this Platinum when I picked it up. That said, backstory time. As you see in the pictures, the passenger side was hit slightly, caused minor dents and some damage to the lower trim panels. The dents were pulled via PDR, and this is the result of the damage to the lower trim. As you see, it was damaged along the edges toward the openings of the passenger rear and passenger front doors. Now I had the option of getting the replacements OEM chrome from the dealer, and it would have been about $600 after taxes for both pieces for just the passenger side. So I opted for the dark chrome full set for $315. Now mind you, I bought it on eBay from a Nissan dealer directly, and it does say on the website that they do not fit the Platinum Edition. Now, as you saw, that's not the case. I figured all of the doors were the same in all the trim packages, so I went ahead and bought it and took a chance. And as you saw, they definitely did fit. This one was even broken when I pulled it off, as you saw in the video. So if you want to put Rock Creek trim on your Platinum, you can do that. If you want to put the OEM chrome on your base model, or SE or SL, I believe, edition, you can do that. They all fit, they're all interchangeable. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you got something out of it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.